Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now let's check this one first. At the same time I have to put some water so we can see some parts of any cars. Now I bring the first one. A green racing car. This is a metal racing car. You can see here, very nice racing car. After I show you, I have to throw it away. Okay, this one is a bulldozer. Four-wheel super motorbike. Four-wheel super motorbike. Everybody, a nice four-wheel super motorbike. Mini excavator. A nice excavator. Mini airplane. Four-wheel super motorbike. We can see this kind of super motorbike at mountains, any resort. How about this one? Mini crane. How about this? School bus. School bus, yellow color. School bus, yellow color. Hero Iron Man. Mini Hero Iron Man. Forklift. You can see this is a forklift. Bulldozer. Okay, everybody, let's move forward to the left one. Transportation truck. How about this one? A logistic truck, mini logistic truck with cute colors. Hero Spider-Man. This is a Hero Spider-Man, red color. How about this one, everybody? Cement mixer truck. How about this? Super motorbike. This is a Blaze super motorbike number 911. Ladder truck. Garbage truck. Monster truck. Now check the last one. Forklift. Forklift. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.